This kids activity printable software has generated me over $400 in the past 24 hours. I thought I would tackle something different in today's video, in a niche that I've never spoken about before on my YouTube channel, just to show you that you can build a business around any niche on the internet. So over here, I've got a software that creates fun activities for kids to do. So for example, some of these include symmetric drawing, word fill-ins, word ladders, picture slice drawing. There's actually a little video over here that shows you the different activities that kids can do. What I like about this, it educates kids. It's a very helpful program, especially for kids that want to learn. Now, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks that I use to promote a product like this towards a kid's audience to go and get tons of sales and tons of revenue online from this product. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow that journey with me, make sure to subscribe down below to the YouTube channel Millionaire Mindset with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. If you guys want to get a free ebook on how to go and market on Snapchat and sell your affiliate products on Snapchat, it's completely free. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. I'm giving it away for free. You'll see down below in the link in this video or on the pinned comment. I'm going to leave a link to the Google Drive. There's no sales page or anything. It's just a free download of the Google Drive, just to say thank you for the recent support on my YouTube channel. But without further ado, I don't want to waste any time. I want to get straight into this video for you guys. I first want to give you a little bit of insight in this niche on TikTok over here. Take a look at how well the kids education niche is doing on TikTok. For example, there's literally a video of here, can your baby do the following gestures, which helps your baby learn speech. There's learning different 3D paper art games here for kids. We've got different kid education videos, 3D puzzles, more 3D puzzles, learning your numbers. So the whole way we're going to tackle this is we are going to be utilizing TikTok and Instagram without creating our own content, without recording our own face, without recording our own voice, and hardly without any editing. In fact, probably no editing at all with the strategy that I'm going to show you. So there are tons of ways you can go and use content on your own pages to blow up, give education to kids, which also parents will see on your page. And that way I've been using and building a kids education brand on social media to go and use this kids activity principles affiliate program over here, which is obviously relative to my niche, to make upsells and to make sales and to make money online. Now, what I really like about this kind of business model, not only are you making money online, you're building a brand, you're building a constant subscriber base, that's your followers. So with the strategy, you can constantly get sales over and over again, because if you have a page that you've grown to 1,000 followers and you post once, that post can still be getting likes and followers years down the line, which still brings more traffic to your affiliate offer, which could be in the link in your bio, and you can still get sales from pieces of content that you've posted years ago. So this can become a really passive strategy as well. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to come over to TikTok over here, for example, and you just want to go and search up kids education. You want to go and open up a whole bunch of different videos that you see here. You can also click on load more. So let's go and use can your baby do this. I'm just going to pause this. So this will obviously just be a couple of games that this lady is explaining. So what we can go and do is we can go and copy the link to this video. You want to come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without watermark. Click on enter. You can click on the first link over here, that is save.tt.c, paste your URL, click on search, and over here it will allow you to download this TikTok in MP4 format without the watermark. Now what we can go and do is we can go and build an education page on Instagram. For example, there's a couple of pages over here that I've found in the kids education niche. Here's a page over here that basically just gives kids different board games. There's another page over here. Okay, this looks more like a boot camp kind of kids page. Over here, we've got more little kids quotes and games. For example, a little emotional intelligence game. This is a Kids Choice Awards page. Kids Boutique, again, more kids games, Peppa Pig, different products and pools and baby shoes, etc. But I have yet to found an Instagram page that is giving real kids education. And that is where I want you to capitalize on the strategy, because there's not really any competition for this at all. And I'm also going to show you a trick at the end of this video to really go and boost your posts, which you can use to really blow up your page. So once our TikTok is downloaded over here, you'll see this TikTok has now downloaded without the watermark. So step number one is you want to come over to Instagram and create your own Instagram page. What I recommend is once you're busy posting, you just click on plus at the top over here. You can upload your post. Make use of hashtags. So we can come over to a tool called Hashtag Expert. This is one of my favorite Instagram tools over here, hashtag.expert. And you'll see this tool allows you to enter any keyword onto the app and it will automatically generate the most viral hashtags relative to your hashtag term. This way, personally using this tool myself, I've found some of my posts to get an extra 50 to 100% likes and exposure on my posts. You just click on generate hashtags and copy those hashtags to your post when busy posting. You can also go and use a tool called postearly.com to go and automate your Instagram page if you want to. So for a lot of us that don't want to run an Instagram page full time, we can get an artificial intelligence to automatically schedule and post our pages. So let me explain a little bit how this works. If I scroll down over here, you'll see you've got three different packages. You've got a free plan, professional plan, and a premium plan. I use the professional plan simply because it's cheap. It's only all I need. You can connect up to 16 accounts with unlimited automatic posting. This tool will automatically suggest hashtags to you. It will give you a welcome DM to your followers, engaging with them, auto reposts of viral posts, comment liker, auto follows, unfollows, likes, and comments to get organic reach on different pages. How I would recommend you go about this tool, you come over to TikTok, download about 30 different videos. That's a video every day for a month, and you can schedule all 30 posts to post every day, one after another. And that way, this tool has now automated your page for the next month on your Instagram page. And you want to go and create a bio similar to this. So for example, let's take a normal page. This page over here has a link to their website where they're obviously selling kids, games, camp packages. In this case, you're gonna come over to a website called Warriorplus.com. I'm just coming to the homepage over here. This is an affiliate marketplace, very similar to ClickBank, JVZoo. Click on affiliates tab over here. Click on launch calendar. And the product you'll find is over here. You just wanna adjust your calendar. You can select the month, day, or week. Will be over here on the 22nd of April, Kids Activity Principle. Just right click, open this in a new tab. Over here, you can click on request approval and you can just type, I've got an Instagram kids page, I'd like to promote your product, and you will get approved most likely within a day or two. You can click on view sales page over here, and this entire sales page is done for you. The sales video, the description, the price, you don't need to go and use a tool like Builderall or Carter to create your own landing page. Once you got your affiliate link, you will get a commission of 30 to 40% of every sale that you make. And all I've been doing is I've been creating my Instagram page, been posting consistently. You want to focus a lot on Reels because Instagram Reels is really pushing a lot of content. It's a very similar algorithm to that of TikTok and Facebook Reels. I recommend go and create a Facebook page as well. Go and post Facebook Reels. Go and create your own TikTok page here as well. And you can come over to maybe kids content Instagram and repost that on TikTok. But I want you to take note, every repost that you make, for example, if you're going to post this lady's page, give them credit on Instagram. Type in the description, credit to at their username on TikTok. If you can find them on Instagram as well, tag them, and you want to give credit. That way you will keep your reputation. People won't mind that because you're giving them exposure as well. That's one thing I really recommend. I want to explain to you a quick strategy you can really use to grow your page fast. Firstly, if you come over to my own Instagram page here, I want to show you an example that I've been using. So I've recently been posting a lot of Reels on my Instagram page, and my pages have been really taking off and been getting a lot of likes and follows. But you will notice that Instagram won't allow you to boost Reels because they don't allow paid promotions on Reels yet. But what you can do is, I recommend click on your Reel, obviously on your mobile device. You want to go and share this to your Instagram story and then go and boost that story with your Instagram Reel tagged on that. So that way you're going to get a lot of followers to your profile story, and at the same time your Reel starts to blow up. When Instagram algorithm sees this Reel is getting lots of engagement off your story boost, the Reel will be boosted more in the Instagram algorithm, getting you lots of more organic followers and reach. You'll see all of my videos over here. This is a Reel, this is a Reel, this is a Reel. This Reel I posted 10 minutes ago. It's already got about 6,000 views and 234 likes. This post over here, I also used a little bit of a boost, over 1,000 likes, which is really good. So So once you've made a couple of sales from your affiliate program over here, I recommend invest into your Instagram page, and you want to grow your audience as much as possible. You'll see all of these are reels over here. You'll see this video over here I posted wasn't a reel. It only got 1,834 views. All of these posts over here, this reel over here got nearly 10K views. This one got nearly 4K views. This one got nearly 8K views. This one got about 15K views. This one was about 4K, and this one was about 10K as well. So all of these videos here are reels are getting between 4 and 10 times more views than normal video posts on Instagram. So focus a lot on reels and share those reels to your stories, and then go and boost that story. It's a little trick I found right now with the Instagram algorithm that really works in growing your page well. So what I recommend is, if you want to go and try out this kids niche, it really does work well. In the beginning, it might take time, but go and give yourself a month. Post every day on your page for a month, and you will see you will get followers, you will get likes. Go and engage with other baby pages, follow them, comment down below on their posts giving value, and people will see your username, and that way they will click on your page. Like I mentioned, you can also use post early if you want to go and automate your Instagram page entirely, up to 16 of them at the same time. And if you also want to scale, a third strategy that I can show you is you can come over to fiverr.com over here, and you can go and pay Instagram influencers. Let's just go search Instagram influencer. You'll see people are charging money. Let me just turn this into USD so you can understand how the pricing works. People are charging money on their verified pages. For example, $100 for a shout out to do a 24-hour story shout out on their 1 million verified page. So that way, you can get tons of followers and piggyback the massive pages on Instagram by just paying them a little bit of money. You will get hundreds of followers, hundreds of story clicks, hundreds of views. So for example, what I recommend when looking for a specific freelancer on Fiverr is have a look at their reviews, that they've got a lot of reviews, have a look at their price if they're competitive, and also go and read their reviews. So for example, this person is charging $5. They've got a lot of reviews, but it also seems a bit cheap. I recommend, let's go and take a look at this person. This person will find you an Instagram influencer for your branding. So let's go and click on their page. They've got a lot of reviews. I recommend just scroll down, have a read at what people say about them. So for example, overall good job. The only problem was that some of these account emails already did not exist, and the followers number is way out of date. Received a lot of great influencers based on my niche requirements. This helped me a lot to speed up the process of finding another right influencer for my brand. So as long as the reviews are really, really high, and good, you can go and use their service. If they are good after your experience with them, stick to them, and you can order from them once a month just to get that regular boost. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with Instagram, and if you really want to blow up your Instagram page, I've got an entire course and playlist over here on the screen to my Instagram playlist of 2021 and 2022 of the best videos that I've posted on my YouTube channel on how to grow your Instagram page, how to create an Instagram business, how to create viral ripple effect posts, and all sorts of strategies you can use on Instagram. What I recommend is, if you want to tackle this and if you want to try this and you want to blow up quickly, go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.